Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the local security authority protection error message. This is the local security authority protection is off. Your device may be vulnerable. Let's fix that problem guys. For that, go to search menu and type PowerShell, POWER, PowerShell. Right click on it and select Run as Administrator. And select Yes. Check my video description for this command guys used in my video. You just need to copy it. We are going to add a registry command guys. For that, copy it and tap the bar, right click, edit and paste it in. The operation completed successfully. 2 times confirmed it, and close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, you should good to go guys. Your problem has been resolved at this point. That's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.